Hey everybody, welcome to the Island of Capri in Italy. This is my monthly episode on how much money I make selling my images as stock photography. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jason Yoder. My channel is about my photography and the adventures I have getting my images. But of course, I also share with you guys how I pay for some of my travels. Now this trip here out to Italy, completely paid for with stock photography. Now don't think this is a lifestyle. It takes a long time to save up money to do a trip like this when you're doing it with stock photography. Keep it as a hobby, don't quit your day job. But I hope these numbers help give you guys a little bit of inspiration to sell some of your images and save to come to beautiful places like this. So anyhow, here are the images that sold for the first time ever. This month's first time image sales come from a wide variety of locations: Singapore, Italy, Canada, South Korea, North Dakota, Arizona, Japan, Washington State, and Utah. First time image sales are kind of exciting. Granted, you may only make 25 cents. The excitement though comes from knowing that somebody appreciated your image enough to buy it. It also shows you that you can make money off of a particular image. Granted, you may not sell the image again, or it may sell every day. With stock photography, you just do not know. That is why I remind everybody who watches these videos to remember that very few people get to quit their day job and do stock photography full time. Keep your expectations real. This trip that I'm on to Italy was paid for entirely by my stock photography sales. It took time. It took a few years. I simply saved my earnings. The neat thing is the snowball effect. I continue to add more images to my portfolio, which increases the rate at which income comes in. Next year, I'll have enough in the vacation fund for another overseas trip with my wife and I. Hang in there. Keep contributing. Success will come. During my time in New York City, I was struggling to capture stock content. I ended up setting up my camera to manual focus and capturing some video of the lights at Times Square, but out of focus. This month, Adobe gave me $2.80 for this video. Adobe also came through with another video sale. This is from my time up in Whidbey Island. During a heavy winter snow, I flew my drone over the evergreen trees weighted down with heavy snow. Thank you, Adobe, for the $28 commission on this video. And here are some of my best-selling images from this past month. This is a $1 sale on Big Stock Photo. It is a computer-generated image of some wind turbines that I made over a decade ago. It still sells every once in a while. This is a regular selling image of mine. This panorama of the Sonoran Desert seems to be kind of an oddball when it comes to landscape photography. Most landscapes that sell are taken during the golden hour. This one was taken in full daylight. This is my fourth most popular image on Adobe Stock. This is a drone panorama taken on the island of Oahu in the Hawaiian Islands. This image adds another $8.22 to the travel fund. It is rare when Adobe Stock does not give me my top sale. This time, it's ShutterStock. This is a road going over a hill in the Sonoran Desert. I added a lot of warm yellow hues to this image. Hope you all like it because I got $24.88 for it. So here's how much I made from each stock agency, how many sales I had, and of course how many images I have uploaded. Now I have a workflow that I go through that really helps to cut down the amount of time it takes to process the images, keyword them, and upload them to these different agencies. So you can check out my workflow right up here at this link. But here's also a look at how this month compared to the same month the past few years, so you can see a little bit of the difference. There is some seasonal variation in stock photography depending on the kind of images that you do. Now most of my stuff is landscape. You can see I got pretty good landscape out here. Very beautiful landscape out here. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves. And of course, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And of course, I'm always interested in how your experiences are in stock photography. Leave me a few comments, let me know. Take care.